Hello, good morning students. Welcome once again in 10th standard biology. Yesterday we had discussed about the respiration. In respiration, basic concept of respiration, types of respiration, phases of respiration, means process of respiration we had discussed. Once again, respiration takes place in the three main steps. First is the breathing. Breathing is the process in which air is in. Breathing is the process of air in and out from the lungs. Second is gaseous exchange. And third is the cellular respiration. In these processes, respiration process takes place, and the system which is responsible for the respiration, that is the human respiratory system, which consists of the lungs. Today we will study about the human respiratory system, breathing, mechanism of breathing, that means breathing to inhalation and exhalation, gaseous exchange and cellular respiration. So we are starting from the beginning. Human respiratory system consists of the three parts: nose, nostrils, nasopharynx, trachea and the lungs. These are the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system consists of the Human respiratory system consists of the nose, nasopharynx, trachea and lungs. These are the parts of the human respiratory system. So if we talk about the deeply, through the nostrils air goes inside our cells, that means inhalation. In inhalation air enters through our nostrils and reaches to the nasal cavity, pharynx and trachea. Through the trachea air goes inside our lungs. In the respiratory system, from the trachea, this is branch, that means bronchi, and bronchi further branch and forms the bronchioles. This is the short note important: tracheal rings. Through the trachea air goes inside our lungs. The trachea is lined with cartilaginous C-shaped rings which helps hold its shape and prevent it from the collapsing. Means गैस एयर से जो एयर जाती है लंग्स में बहुत ही प्रेशर से आती है, तो उससे जो ट्रैकिया है वो कोलैप्स होने से बचता है, क्योंकि उस पर कार्टिलेजिनस शेप्ड रिंग्स होती हैं जो उसे कोलैप्स होने से बचाती हैं. Our lungs, if we talk about the lungs are protected by the covering that is called the pleural membrane. This is the pleural membrane which covers the lungs, and these are the trachea. These further branch that is called bronchi. Bronchi further branch and forms the bronchioles, and bronchioles further branch and forms the alveoli, where gaseous exchange takes place. These are the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles. Bronchioles is for the branch. Okay, these are terminates. These are called alveoli, where gaseous exchange takes place. Let's see how. Bronchioles for the branch and forms the alveoli. These are called alveoli. They contains the blood vessels where gaseous exchange takes place through the diffusion process. These in alveoli, blood vessels are present in the blood. Oxygen is mixed in the blood through the process of diffusion process. फीचर्स ऑफ द एल्वेoli, जो ये एल्वेoli हैं, दे हैव थिन मेम्ब्रेन झिल्ली पतली होती है. दे आर सराउंडेड बाय द रिच नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड कैपिलरीज. इनमें ब्लड कैपिलरीज होती हैं. दे हैव लार्ज सरफेस एरिया फॉर द मिक्सिंग द ऑक्सीजन.